Imagine walking through the historic gates of Harvard University. Think about the knowledge held within its walls. Now, picture this. That knowledge is available to you. Yes, you. Right where you are, right now. Harvard University offers a wide range of courses online. Many of these courses are completely free. You can learn from top Harvard professors, you can gain new skills, you can explore new subjects, all without paying hefty tuition fees. This is an incredible opportunity for everyone. So get ready to discover how you can start your Harvard education today. Your learning adventure awaits you. Harvard University has a long and rich history. It is America's oldest institution of higher learning. For centuries, it has been a center of excellence. But Harvard's vision extends beyond its physical campus. The university believes in sharing knowledge widely. This vision led to the creation of HarvardX. HarvardX is the university's strategic initiative in online learning. It started around 2012, a time of great excitement for online education. HarvardX aims to create high-quality online courses. These courses reflect Harvard's academic rigor and explore new ways of teaching. The mission of HarvardX is clear: democratizing education. So how can you get this front-row seat to a Harvard education? It is simpler than you might think. Most of Harvard's free online courses are available through edX. We are a leading online learning platform. We were founded by Harvard University and MIT. Our platform hosts courses from top universities worldwide. HarvardX courses on edX are designed to be user-friendly. They are easy to navigate. You can learn at your own pace. Getting started is easy. Visit edx.org and create an account. Once your account is set up, you are ready to explore. Search for Harvard University or browse by subject. Find a course that matches your goals and enroll. Harvard offers a stunning variety of free online courses. There is something for almost everyone, no matter your interest or career goal. In computer science, CS50's Introduction to Computer Science stands out. It teaches you how to think algorithmically and solve problems efficiently. For business and management, Harvard has excellent offerings. Learn about entrepreneurship, leadership, and business analytics. Explore health and medicine, humanities, and social sciences. The range is truly impressive. Take your time to browse, find what sparks your curiosity. This is your journey of discovery. When you take a free Harvard course on edX, you are on the audit track. This means you get access to most of the course materials for free. However, the free audit track usually does not include a certificate of completion. If you want a formal credential, many HarvardX courses offer a verified certificate. This is a paid option, but it is much lower than traditional tuition. A verified certificate means you have successfully completed the course. Employers are increasingly recognizing online credentials, especially from reputable institutions like Harvard. A verified certificate can be a valuable addition to your resume or LinkedIn profile. The most important thing is to engage with the material and learn deeply. Online learning offers amazing flexibility. However, this freedom also brings challenges. Success in an online course requires self-discipline and good time management. Here are some practical tips to help you succeed. First, create a study schedule and stick to it. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Be an active learner. Take notes and engage with the course materials. Use discussion forums to ask questions and share insights. Ensure you have the right technical setup. A reliable internet connection and an up-to-date browser are essential. If you encounter technical issues, look for help resources. These simple steps can make a big difference. The true impact of Harvard's free online courses is best seen through learners' stories. Millions have taken these courses and shared how this experience changed their lives. One common theme is career advancement. Many learners use HarvardX courses to gain new skills in demand in the job market. We hear stories of people changing careers entirely. Another area of impact is academic exploration. Some learners use these free courses to prepare for further studies. The global reach means these stories come from all over the world. These courses empower individuals to make a difference, not just in their own lives, but also in their communities. Each learner's journey is unique, but they all share a common thread: the pursuit of knowledge and growth. Harvard is a pioneer in online education. but it is not alone in offering free courses. Many other prestigious universities have similar initiatives. Harvard's online courses, particularly on EDX, are known for their rigor. They often reflect the same quality and depth as on-campus courses. The involvement of Harvard faculty is a key strength. HarvardX also invests heavily in learning science. The breadth of subjects offered by Harvard is impressive. Success is about persistence and using available support. Remember, many have succeeded before you. The journey of Harvard's online education is far from over. Harvard University remains deeply committed to this mission. They continue to expand their offerings. The future of Harvard online education looks incredibly bright. This means even more opportunities for learners like you. We can expect new courses in cutting-edge fields. Technological advancements will also play a big role. Harvard is at the forefront of educational innovation. So what does this mean for you? It means the opportunity is now. Start your learning journey today. The knowledge is there. The door is open. All you need to do is step through it. Your future self will thank you.